Wondershare Dr.Fone 12 is an exceptional piece of software designed to cater to various data recovery needs across multiple devices. Its user-friendly interface makes navigating through the recovery process seamless, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. The software supports a wide range of devices, including Android and iOS, allowing users to recover data from smartphones, tablets, and even computers. One of the standout features of Dr.Fone 12 is its ability to recover not just photos and videos, but also contacts, messages, call logs, and other important files. This comprehensive approach ensures that users can retrieve almost any type of data they might have lost. The performance of the software is impressive, with quick scan times and a high success rate in data recovery. Additionally, Wondershare has incorporated features such as data backup, system repair, and phone transfer, making Dr.Fone 12 a versatile tool for managing and maintaining device health. The data backup feature allows users to create secure backups of their important files, which can be a lifesaver in case of unexpected data loss. The system repair function is another valuable addition, capable of fixing various system issues without causing data loss, which is particularly useful for users experiencing performance problems with their devices. The phone transfer feature simplifies the process of transferring data between devices, making it convenient for users upgrading to a new phone. While the software is packed with features, it maintains a simple and intuitive design, which is crucial for providing a positive user experience. The support provided by Wondershare is also commendable, with a comprehensive help center and responsive customer service available to assist users with any issues they might encounter. Overall, Wondershare Dr.Fone 12 stands out as a reliable and powerful solution for data recovery, offering a wide array of tools that go beyond just recovery, making it an essential software for anyone looking to safeguard their digital information and ensure their devices are running smoothly.